Ito po ang trailer ng aking pinagmamalaki at ikinagagalak na ipakita kahit kapiraso lamang po sa inyong lahat ang pelikulang Caregiver. Here's a sneak peek. Hope you enjoy.
Sigurado ka na ba sa balak mo?
Yes, ma'am. Everything is set. Plane ticket na lang po hinihintay. Starting next Monday, Mrs. Biglayan is taking over this class. I will be going to London.
She makes pulas the point of the older people there.
Open your mouth now, sweetheart. Come on, my good girl.
No, not sweet. I want to swim. I want to swim.
Kaya tayo may hanap buhay dito dahil hindi masigura ng mga Briton yung dirty jobs natin.
Ngayon ka pa ba aatras? Nandito ka na.
I'll call for you if and when I need you. Get out of my room!
If you can't fire her, I want you to replace her.
Tanong mo ko, harap ko sana ako pag tinanong niya ako, Ma, ano po ginawa niya sa London? Ano sasagot ko sa kanya? Nagpa-picture!
This job means so much to me. You have no idea what I've had to give up to get this thankless job. And I had to leave my son back home. But I'm doing this for him because I want him to be somebody. I care about my job, sir. I care about you.
On its 15th anniversary, Star Cinema proudly presents the groundbreaking event movie of 2008.
Sometime when you least expect it, someone will come into your life and make you feel less lonely. Thank you.